Hello. Hello. Naniskia.
Yes.
Hi guys. Thank you for joining us. This is the JavaScript mob. The date today is Tuesday, the 10th of July 2018. Nice to have Linda, Kevin, Crafty, who's also joined us for the Lucy, and I. Sigu will not be joining us today. So I'm going to share my screen and then we randomize and see who's going to be leading us. I hope you can see my screen. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us. So we're going to randomize to 10. IRD, what is IRD? Okay. My screen is clear. Hope so. Okay, so we have Crafty. Crafty, give me your two numbers between. How dengue? Okay. Oh, sorry. Crafty hasn't joined us yet, but Sigu is here. So Sigu, give me your two random numbers between 1 and 5. Between 1 and 10, sorry. 1, 10. What is this I'm doing? 1. Okay, awesome. Mise, please give me your two numbers between 1 and 10. 7 and 4. Awesome. Kevin, please give me your two numbers between 1 and 10. Between 0 and 10, actually. 3, 5. No, it's 1 and 10. 3, 5. Awesome. Who else is remaining? Linda. She's nodding her head. Then there's Kitty. Crafty, have you joined Damabado? You've joined? Not yet. Okay, so I'll pick 0 and which number is remaining? 2. Let me pick 0 and 2. Awesome. So we start randomizing to 10. Sorry? Ata? Oh, nim randomize. Okay. Crafty, the remaining. Yes. It's because of time. Crafty, which numbers are remaining here? I'm really bad at math. 2, 3, 4, 6, and 9. Yeah, actually. But anyway, so let me randomize. Hell. Sorry, I said hell. To 10. First one is 9. Second is 2. Third is 5. So Kevin will be taking us through today. Give us some time to switch microphones and then we'll continue in a few. Thank you.
Okay, guys. Welcome to today's mob. Today we should be looking at number methods. Number methods. Oh, man. Yeah, and there we are. Oh, can everybody see my screen? Okay, so number methods. In this section, we'll be looking at how the methods available to manipulating numbers. Yeah. Okay, so the first one here is the toString method. So what the toString method does is converts the number to a string, returns a number as a string. So let me create a number. So if I have want to return this number as string, that's the string version of the number. Yes, Getty? What if I string the number? Awesome. I get you. So let me have another variable. Let me call it Getty. Okay. So yeah, something like this. Oh, so it's already in I tried it. You have to store it in a variable, then I don't know. Or if you call it like this directly, it's is it? I don't know if it's syntax or it will be a syntax error, I think. Because type boom, invalid or unexpected token, mobile responsive. Yeah, invalid or unexpected token. Why is it really behaving this way? Must we store it in
It doesn't treat one tool as an object.
Because what's the difference if we store the number in a variable and call it, and if we call it like this, what's the difference? Let's see. Now this creates. Oh, actually, this has actually some of the things we'll be looking at in the next sections. Not what we really wanted.
It's different if I put parentheses.
I'm sending this on the chat. Googling skills.
Mm, so why can't object literal call to string method like this to string? Cause why will this cause an error? So it's because this is seen as a valid block first instead of a literal in that context. In simple terms, consider that line is interpreted from left to right. It encounters this first and therefore expects that a block has started. When the block ends, it encounters the dot, and that identifier is not allowed there. Hmm? Oh, but if you are to use this, what about, let's try if we put it in a parenthesis. Parenthesis will work. So if we have, so that will work. Interesting.
Is the for node.
Number,
Type of
a number is a number. In JavaScript, this is just treated as a number. It's not an object. Unless you create a number object with the new number thing here. Okay, any questions up to there?
not understood it. Not understood very that.
Sometimes ignores, I don't know in what cases it ignores parentheses, but in some cases it has to be there.
So what's still the difference when you have a parenthesis?
Set aside, tell them, yes, this is something is going on. Because if you tell it 2.to string,
You had set A to be 5660. Can
Two.
you access in 4 by indexing it as with A0?
Can you?
Access the number 4. The 4 is the first number. Can you
This
access
one?
it by indexing? No, the first.
Oh, so like I have A, and now I access it this way.
It's treating them as different. So
Undefined. Maybe if I store it.
So this also works for an empty object. The error.
So if I call it on,
String on an empty object. That's my error.
so that's just calling to string like that.
On an empty object. Empty object in a kind.
Empty object in JavaScript, man. You know, an object in JavaScript, I only know. Okay.
So it's the same error.
Yes.
So we can go back to our explanation and
Oh,
start over.
so it's because.
So it's treating that as a valid block instead of a literal context. So that line is interpreted from left to right. It encounters the block, the opening braces, and therefore expects that a block has started. when the block ends, it encounters a dot. Expects that it encounters a dot. Okay. I think I understand it. So it's like when you do 1, 2 dots, it expects any number to make it a float. And not to.
It expects any number?
And have 12.1.
Oh.
12.
Yeah. Oh, makes sense. Hmm? Atuongei sana.
Umesema hawezi kupass an empty context. Thank you.
Yeah, so we have concluded if you do this, it expects like a float, like 12 point something. So you have to enclose it to treat it as a object. Okay. Let's go to the next method.
So inasema, for you to tell it the difference between the 1, 2 na kwenye hiyo method inaanzia unaweka in brackets. So it evaluate kitu iko within the brackets. Alafu equal to string.
Let string on that.
So sasa hiyo ukiwa na 1, 2 dot. Nika ukwe na 1, 2 dot then jina yako. Hapana si. Hebu try kitu kaya 1, 2 dot kenya. Kwa tuna syntax ya hapa.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. Okay, so yes, Crafty. I think token is like yeah. Because the token is like it starts from the dot, yeah. The K bit is the automata theory. Into tokens.
So after passing imekuwa tokens. So I try to make sense out of it, I think that makes sense.
Okay. Oh, let's go to the next one, which is to exponential method. So it returns a string with a number rounded and written using exponential notation. Yeah, times. Yeah, so if we have 1,000. Oh, 100. Exponential. If I pass to what am I expecting? 10 point. Get it? The output in this one. Si ni italeta
The other
yeah brackets to be. And now that way it will be. See 1 point. Why is it?
You mean assume
Why 10 point?
10 points to. Oh,
I'm treating the two ni kama decimal place ama.
it's only 1 point.
So 1.00 exponential raised to. If I have let me have a bigger one. Yes.
On the example,
Mm-hmm.
you exponential 4 6. What is happening there?
So that this is just like decimal place. For example, 9.654. So in its form raised to like, okay, assume the e is just like our exponential we have just said is like 10 power something. So it's like to two decimal place it will just remain 9.6. To two decimal place will round off, then it's like 10 power or times 1, which is 10 power 0, which is exponential plus 0. No, not making sense.
Are we introducing decimal?
Yes.
Whatever we are passing is decimal to decimal points.
That is why we're adding the zeros at the end. I'm talking about the example. We're adding 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros plus the 3 digits to get 6 plus 0.
What's this 0 by there?
The e plus 0 plus
10 raised to power.
10 raised to power 0, ama? This, which one?
10 raised to power 2. 10 raised to power 2 ni aje?
then x to exponential. I do it to the same example.
Oh, so okay, let me first draw this.
It's changing the number. We have 10,000. Ndio nimeshasikia. Hii itakuwa 1.0
Plus
ni 1 alafu exponential 0. You know 1 times 10 raised to power. 10 ni 1 times 10 raised to power. 10
okay, so itakuwa 10.
10 to power. Itakuwa 10 to power. Alafu 100 ni 10 to power. 100 ni 10 to power.
But why are they getting plus 0? The example.
Plus 0.
On the example. On the decrease.
But that 10 raised to power something inamaanisha not equal to 10.
Yes, but
So 96 ni what times 10 to power 0.
96.
Ni same na.
So 9.6 times 10 to power 1.
Pause power 1.
So 96
E to exponential
unasema ni
power 1.
unasema ni 9 point
9.6 times 10 to power 1.
ini
And 9.6 times 10 to the
9.6 ni 9.6 itakuwa exponential yake itakuwa the same na
9 point c plus 0. 10 power 0. 10? 10 power 0. 10 power 0. Inabaki tu hivi.
But my question is, on the example,
Ya kwanza ni inaweka into 2 decimal places, so
towards not making sense in that.
okay, yeah, in line.
Ine makes sense ya kwanza ama kile maana.
so like we want to convert it to something less than 10.
Something less than 10.
Yeah, like 10 to 4. So it's 9.65. And then we are saying to exponential 2.
Which is like 2 decimal places. So 9.56.
Exponential.
It's
Convert to exponential and budget.
so ya kwanza 9.656 itai round off, itapata 9.66, which is already in 2 decimal place,
So
which is the same as multiplying it by 1, which is 10 power 0.
First two lines.
to exponential. Then the string with number rounded and journey. A parameter defines
The decimal point.
So what if we wrote x to exponential and it's a parameter?
Hapo chini, soma hapo chini.
The parameter is optional. If you don't specify it, JavaScript will not round the number. So if we do that, the number has not been rounded.
Ukiwa 96.56. Utapeana.
Oh,
Like 656 plus 0 is 1.
awesome. Okay, the toFixed method. toFixed returns a string with the number written with a specified number of decimals. Returns a string with the number written with. So it's just if you have a number and you call toFixed, it checks how it's like you're passing how many decimal places you want the number to be, or the numbers after the decimal point. So if I have, let me still use x. So toFixed, assuming I want to 6 decimal places. Yeah, so I'm expecting. Yeah.
And what if you had 96?
So what if I have 96 then? Oh,
96 point something. 56.
so 96.56.
56. And then
2. It will just remain the same because it's already in 2 decimal place. Yeah.
so the difference
Exponential format or no exponential notation. Yeah. Okay, so the saying to fixed is perfect when you're working with money. Okay. Okay, the to precision method. So precision returns a string with a number written with a specified length. So precision is not to fix looks at the numbers after the decimal place. Precision looks at the length of your character. So if I have let me say 20 even 15, then I want to precision I want 5. Yeah. So precision looks at the total number. Already we have 4. Yeah. To precision, we just add a 0 to make the total length of the number 5. So if you have that, then maybe 4. Already our number is in. The length is 4, yeah? So it should remain the same. If you 3, so it will be down. Oh, so it says rounded down. If I have so I replace the 5 with a 9, now rounds up to 20.2. That one was 20.15. If okay, this I think will be 2 also. Oh, up to, yeah. Yeah, let's try 7. Is that, yeah, normal math, it's yeah. So 4 will be rounded down. Second example. Oh. Second example you're talking of here. So to precision 2, that we have 9.656. If we round, oh, it's 6. It will start rounding from the end. It will start rounding from the end. So we'll have 9.66. Then 6 is, conclusion is like it rounds above 5. So we'll have 9.66. If we have 9.66, now it can be rounded up to 9 point. If it was 9.655, yeah, I'm expecting. So I have, let me clear this. So we have 9.55. Oh, 655. Okay, then to precision. And to precision we want 2, yeah. So with this, I'm expecting 9.7. Oh, 9.6. 9.7. Yeah. Why? Okay. So I'm expecting 9.7. It will round normally, which is 9.66. Then after that is when it does the precision.
No, but you've seen 5 rounds down. Rounds down.
When we are at, because when we are at, okay, let me do it with, yes, we have said 5, from 5 it rounds down. So assuming I had, if this was 4, like that, then this will be 9.6. Because we have at 5, because we need to, the length is 2, yeah? So you'll go at 2, but you have to check what is the next thing on its right. If we round off, also like it was initially, oh, that's my opinion. If we round off, it will be 6. So we'll have 9.66, but to precision 2, now it will be 9.7.
So try with 9.655.
So let's first try with 5.5.
You was talking about 9.7.
So this, yeah, I'm expecting a 9.7. 9.6. Get it? 9.6. Hey, I'm this wrong. Man. Hey. Booyah. Oh,
Oh, okay. Is it looking at 55?
then 9.6. The way I have understood, it rounds normally. But now to precision is checks what's on my right of, yeah. We have, on our right we have, but yes, we have 5, but you can't leave. Okay, we have 5, but what's next? We have something big, so it will round fast. Yeah. 9.645. So this will be 9.6. Precision 2. This, yeah, this is a good one. This will be 9.6.
Yeah, this is 9.6.
Uh-huh.
9.655. So as much as you're rounding off from the first 5, the rightmost 5, you still be
Because the way I understood it, okay, precision 2, so we are expecting it to be 9 point something, yeah? So before we determine what it is point something, we'll check our right. Our right, we have, now, okay, let me put, it's 5, yeah? Our right, we have 5. But we cannot just truncate the remaining 5, being that it can be, normally, it can be rounded off, or in the normal number. So that will be, at this point, we'll have 9.66. Now from that point,
5 rounds down. You seem to be pushing it.
okay, or let me say precision. Precision checks the, yes. It, the precision way. Yeah.
Round of 3. And we had 9.655, say 5.
Oh, sorry. Uh-huh.
So yeah, 5. So we want to round off 3.
So to precision 3.
Yes.
Oh, precision 3.
So here,
Nice one.
according to your logic, you tell me that my answer will be 9.666.
Yes.
No,
9.66.
But if it's 4,
And where are you assuming that what you've just seen,
I'm assuming.
rounding, five and below rounds down.
well,
So, okay. With precision, let me say if the length is 2, precision rounds down or up with the element at, let me say the the next one. But yeah, on the right of our precision length, Nini. Don't know if I'm making or I'm confusing.
Your point is making sense. Like
Up to this one, precision.
try kwanza before kutoa.
So this one, I'm expecting it's a 9.6 or 3, 9.66. 9.65. Hey, if I get this wrong, then 9.66.
So what about 9.650?
Yeah, good one. 9.650. Oh. Depreciation. Precision 3. 9.65.
501. Let's say that 501. To precision 2.
Precision 2. Precision 2, it will just be 9.6.
Now try that. Okay. Precision 2, 9.6500.
Precision 2.
Now that will be 6.
This will be 6. 9.6. Ha ha ha. Interesting. JavaScript. Returns a string with a number written with the specified length. Precision 2, that's
Or tuseme, when it's at precision 2, it rounds up. Beyond that, it just
okay. Let me try
try
something.
something else.
What about if here is a 5? Okay, no, if it's a 4, that will work. If this is a 5, this is 2. So what's the conclusion here? Now my conclusion is wrong. And it's not going back to the previous.
Ebu, let's try this.
Yeah?
1.155.
1.155. Precision.
Let's see. According to this, itakuwa 1.2.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, ni JavaScript.
This should be 1.2.
But according to me, itakuwa 1.1.
According to?
Me. According to JavaScript. Do 1.150.
So this should be 1.1. According to my previous. Yeah, which is correct. But oh, now it's working. What's the difference between 1.50? We did one here, 1.6500 to precision 2. Yeah, actually, notice this one. What's the difference here? Which was 9.6500. And this one is? Oh, let me add another 0. Yes, let's see if this is something else. So this one will be 1.2. Oh, it's 1.1. Why was this one then? I don't have a conclusion for this one, guys. Yes. Man. Okay, guys. Okay, so now that we are proceeding with some weird conclusions, but at least we got the concept right. There's no concept. Okay, let's look at this one. The other method, the value of method, returns a number as a number. Why will you want to return a number as a number? Returns a number as a number. Okay, so returns a number as a number. Okay, let me first start with yes, Getty. Oh, number value returns a number. So this is already 45. I want again to return 45. So what about if it's summation? This one I should be returning 102. 112. Okay. What about if it's a string there? So, returns a number. Oh, this is a string. What are we really? Returns a number as a number, but at this time we have a string. An error. 45. Crafty. Not a number. Okay. Yeah. This is a string. No, it returned the initial. It's 45 string. So, so I do this. In short, see, I can just do type of here. It's a string, not a number. But this was a string. It just returned it back again as the string. If I put a string, okay. So, now this case it will bring an error. Let's see. Maybe I think it will return the initial string. Okay, so in JavaScript, a number can be a primitive value. Type of is equal to a number, or an object. Type of is object. A primitive value where type of is the number, or what is really happening here? When you create an so the value of method is used internally in JavaScript to convert number objects to primitive values.
So we have a number object and we get value of we get the number itself. That's why we were wondering where we
There is no reason to use it in your code. Why? So all JavaScript data types have the value of and string of. Man, there is no reason to use it in your code.
What about the value of an empty object? You can try that to see if it's acceptance.
that token sheet. This will just the previous error I got.
You'll be surprised.
Then now let's so this will, what will it return? JavaScript is funny. It will return this object. Undefined. Probably it should return me back this object. It will turn back this empty object.
or the curly braces.
Man, what will it return?
If you return the value of an empty object, it's undefined or void or
I'm expecting this object, this empty object. You ask me, sir? A surprise. Huh? Huh. JavaScript.
I'm sure it will not be.
Surprise us. Yes. Okay, let me.
and it has a play
A proto object.
again.
What? Oh, we are still continuing.
It's still playing.
Hey.
Play again.
Oh,
Every object has this.
as these attributes. Constructor has. Oh, yeah. Okay, JavaScript.
Do you value a papa? Do you
Va-
string?
value of. Okay. Huh. Dear JavaScript.
No pause.
Okay, so what's the conclusion of value?
Don't use it in your code. There is no reason.
We passed a string, it will return you back the string. You passed an object, it returns you the object. Uh-huh.
JavaScript data types have value of.
Value and string.
All data types.
Do you have the string? Value.
That's why string is
So if
all data types.
you're working with this on a string, it will bring back the same string. Does it not do any manipulation? Does it do any manipulation? The value of method is used internally to convert number. Yes. Can you create a new number? Yes.
Let me finish this.
It will give you the same thing.
So I think
You can create a new number using the new number.
oh,
So you can say 3 equal.
3 equal.
The
I create a number object.
number, yes. New number. Okay, even 30. So you have number 30. So what's the value of 3?
3.
Now we don't expect the object to expect that. Because it converts this object to the primitive value,
which is the 30.
which is 30. How can you access this? Tunaweza 3 plus 33.
Accessing what?
How can you access the value 30 from the variable 3? 3 itakuwa not.
So I do 3 first. So 3 will return.
The object,
Yeah.
the object which has a value of is deep and then to a value of.
So value of we have
On the primitive value.
Primitive value 30.
So value of it okupatia the primitive value of that particular.
Oh, we were trying the 3. Oh shit. Last bit. So this is
To create a string out of instantiating the string class, then you can get the value of that particular string by saying looking for the value. Here you may conclude from this statement here, a number can, in JavaScript, a number can be a primitive value or an object. The value of is used internally to convert objects to the primitives.
Okay. Yes.
Is it an JavaScript thing?
Val, yeah. You are talking of val. Getting value and setting value using val. There is val, yeah, for getting values. You remember we used it in. Yeah. Oh. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Next up, we'll begin on converting variables to numbers. See you.